The second ever Hot Shots injection molded parts competition was recently concluded at the PT Expo 2023 Plastics Trade Show in Rosemont, Illinois. Created to recognize technological advances in injection molding that promote new and higher functionalities for plastic parts, as well as greater efficiency and sustainability in their production, the Hot Shots contest consists of two separate awards voted on by molders: Technical Sophistication and Achievement in Molding Economics and/or Efficiency. In 2023, the global dental and orthodontic manufacturing company, Ultradent Products of Utah, was voted top, and its part took home both prizes.
I would say probably the most challenging element was figuring out how to go about doing it in a two-shot application rather than an overmolding. Once we had decided it was going to be a two-shot operation, I would say the biggest challenge was the secondary injection unit and feeding that second shot into the machine. Prices around that equipment was really very high, and we had an e-multi unit that we had purchased on a prior project that we kept and migrated into this project, and we had some shot size limitations that had implications on the design and cavitation and what we could mold.
Thin to thick sections of this part's incredibly hard. Being able to fill it with 6 or 7 different gates into the soft material for the bumpers was extremely hard for the team to overcome. Mold's really complex, a lot of different shutoffs, so that was another thing that was difficult with the project to overcome, just molding it. Incredible competition, incredible parts in this. Had us really nervous about the competition. Just all around the Hot Shots competition in general had some great people involved, good parts. Well, first of all, when we were going through development of this part, it was single cavity, hand loaded, have to pull it out, switch the material over or mold over as well, and then put the part in and overmold over the top of it. So very labor intensive. With the efficiencies gained in doing two-shot, on-the-fly rotational molding, we could limit the amount of operators and operations. So I knew the part was complex, but and I've been in injection molding for many years, same as my colleagues. But I grew up reading plastic technology and never really imagined ourselves being involved in a Hot Shots competition, let alone winning it. So just happy for that and happy for the team. Probably just go out and see Chicago tonight.
Bottle of Woodford's waiting somewhere.
We just built a 168,000 square foot facility, brand new. Lean concepts, all of our machines are going over there, and these awards will be right in our front entrance. Thanks to Plastic Technology and Gardner companies for having us here and presenting these awesome awards to Ultradent and letting us represent our company.